Hi, my name is Oler Oladele. Today, I'll be sharing 5 finance books that can help you grow your wealth, make smarter money moves, and feel more confident about your financial future. But before I get into it, I would like to give a massive shout out to one of our amazing subscribers at Dr. Ada Ozo. Thank you so much for watching and engaging with our videos. We see you and we love you. So let's talk about the 5 books. To make your life easier, we've linked them all in my Amazon shop so you can grab whichever one speaks to you. The link is in the description box. Now, the very first book on my list is I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. The key quote in this book I want to highlight is this: spend extravagantly on the things that you love and cut costs mercilessly on the things that you don't. Now, this one is like your witty, financially savvy friend who isn't afraid to tell you the truth. Ramit breaks money down into practical steps. Automate your savings, negotiate fees, and spend extravagantly on what you love while cutting costs on the things you don't care about. It is one of those finance books that helps you actually love yourself in the process. The second book I'd like to recommend is Unshakable by the very popular Tony Robbins. And my key quote is this: the best opportunities come in times of maximum pessimism. Now, Tony Robbins actually simplifies investing in this book. What he did was that he interviewed top investors and broke down their wisdom into principles that can guide your long-term financial decisions. He made it very simple, especially during uncertain times. Now, this is the pep talk that you need when the markets are not going in your favor. It is so instructive. Tony Robbins broke down advice from the world's top investors and reminded us that the markets will always rise and fall, but the patient investor always wins. I repeat, the patient investor always wins. The third book, which I love, is The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. Now, my key quotes here is: doing well with money has little to do with how smart you are and a lot to do with how you behave. I repeat, doing well with money has little to do with how smart you are and a lot to do with how you behave. This book doesn't just teach you what to do with money. It teaches you how to think about money. Very, very important. Extremely important. So if you've ever wondered why people who know better still make money mistakes, this is your explanation. This is actually your answer to that question. Housel shows us that money decisions are often emotional and not logical, and I can agree with him a lot. So if you've wondered why you do the things you do when it comes to money, then Psychology of Money is your book. Now, my fourth book recommendation is The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason. The key quote there: a part of all you earn is yours to keep. And it was something he shouted from the beginning of the book till the end. This classic actually teaches timeless lessons through stories about saving, investing, and discipline. Through very short parables like those in the Bible. Clason teaches the basics: save at least 10% of your income, control your expenses, invest wisely. These are things that we hear all the time, but the way he positioned it in that book is worth your time to read it. I highly recommend. And the fifth book, Secrets of a Millionaire Mind by T. Harv Eker. I hope I pronounced his name right, Sha. But the key quote in the book is that rich people believe I create my life. Poor people believe life happens to me. And that book, the first part of that book will get you to think about yourself and what really drives you. The book actually challenges your mindset. It forces you to confront your beliefs about wealth, especially if you were raised to see money as something scarce or unspiritual or only for people that steal. Now, that book will question your why to the very end. It will rewire your thinking, I can tell you for free, so you can attract, not repel, abundance. It's a very, very good book. I highly recommend. So after running through my list, I just want to let you know that this book won't just do the work for you, but they will equip you. They'll actually give you the tools you need to work with and the clarity that you need. So I recommend that you pick them up, you read them, gather your friends together, read, and not just read, apply. Don't forget that the links to download them or to buy them are in our Amazon storefront in the description, right? So don't miss out on it. You don't have any excuse. You can buy the audio version, even if it's too much to read a book. Now, your mindset, so very important, very, very important to understand that your mindset is very foundational to your wealth building. So I highly recommend these books. Please buy them and read. And let me know your thoughts around them once you do so. Now, don't forget to, because we're at the end of this video, that you can't outsource your health and your finances. Reading a book is not too hard. It doesn't cost you that much, but the value you will draw will be timeless. See you in the next video. Bye.